VIVTECH here. This past week, I got a very exciting new tool in the mail. This is the brand new Testo 770 clamp meter. Those who know the Testo brand, Testo is most famous for their digital manifolds, their combustion analyzers in the HVAC industry. At least in my area they are. Early June, they decided to announce that they are coming out with 5 electrical measurement tools. This was the 770 clamp meter was the one that I was most looking forward to. There's features on this meter that we've never seen before in a clamp meter. So let's get into it. I'm going to do an overview here of the tool itself, and then I'll show some measurements on field, real-time measurements of this tool in use. So I'll talk about the actual feel of the tool first. It's got the Testo signature colors, the black and orange. Comfortable grips. It actually got some grips on the side here. It's very comfortable to hold in your hand. Of course, your input and your COM and your ground jack on the bottom there. Your select features, your control keys are on the bottom, and there's a few on the top here. Your min-max button. This 770 has inrush amps. So for the service technicians, the preventative maintenance technicians, inrush, we know how important inrush amps is. Your backlight, Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth meter, the 770-3 that I have. So you can actually pair this up with your Testo Smart Probe app, and you can get readings, save readings. This is your zero measurement here, your select feature. This meter auto ranges. So when you have it in your function, your feature, your whatever voltage or current setting you're looking for, once you have it there, you'll see auto. It'll auto range to what measurement you're looking for. So if I show you with the cap, I got a universal run cap here that I conveniently set up here for this video here. So if I'm on the 25 microfarad, if I look for capacitance, if I look for microfarads, we'll be looking for 25, and that's where we are there. You can see I'm at 25, and we're at 25. So this is the auto ranging feature. So if I went to, you can go select to just go through the ranges. So if I looked for, if I want to do it manually, it's on continuity now. It's on DC there. So if I just went to the microfarads, I could select it manually. But it's a good feature that it just does it by itself, just by being in the auto mode. So the rotary dial here, we have your amps, you got your volts, your resistance measurement, your microamps, and then we got watts. We've never seen watts on a meter before. I've never seen one, at least. The watts features the power measurement. If you are checking watts, you need to have both your common, your input jack, and your clamp head together on, and the Testo 770 will calculate the running watts and the power load of whatever you're checking. This little adapter I have on the bottom, this is a temperature adapter. So the temperature adapter here, if you you see the volts here, right above, it says Celsius, and there's a little Celsius and Fahrenheit icon there. So if we put it on there, and we put in our type K, this is a standard type K thermocouple here. So what you do is you put it on the volt setting there, and then you just hold the 0 button, and we're getting temperatures. So we got temp readings just with a type K thermocouple. Any type K thermocouple with your standard little prongs there will work on this. So let's show some measurements here. I'm going to go on a furnace here, just to look at some common draws, electrical draws we'd be looking for. And I'm looking forward to using the Testo 770 more in the coming weeks. I will post more. If you guys want to see an updated 770 YouTube video, I'll do one. But if you check my Insta page, I will weekly be showing me using the new Testo 770-3 clamp meter from Testo. I want to show the hook-on feature of the clamp meter first here. So, you know, you can definitely get in there easier with the amp meter with the hook-on feature to get into if you're grabbing one wire, right, as opposed to it opening up in the middle, where it's just you know, a lot easier with this to just grab a wire. So ideally here we'd be looking closer to 3 for that flame rod checked. You know, that's the importance of having preventative maintenance done annually on your furnace to make sure that the flame rod is clean is an important one. So if I just manually put it to continuity there. I got one lead on the I've got one lead on the bottom of that spade there. So you know, you'd expect to see a continuity throughout, but I already know that there's spots here where, see, I'm touching it there. I mean, there's spots here where it needs to be cleaned. It needs to be cleaned. You want to see closer to 3 on that microamp reading there. So all in all, guys, a very good meter by Testo. This has all the features you need for a HVAC meter and more. You know, it's priced very well too. I gotta say that. And I will be uploading some more content on the Bluetooth, hooking up the Bluetooth in the future, guys. So stay tuned for that. And this is it. Dan from VIVTECH, Testo 770-3. Good job, Testo. Great tool. Looking forward to using it more within the next couple weeks. Tech here. This past week, I got a very exciting new tool in the mail. This is the brand new Testo 770 clamp meter. You know, those who know the Testo brand, Testo is most famous for their digital manifolds, their combustion analyzers in the HVAC industry. At least in my area they are. Early June they decided to announce that they are coming out with 5 electrical measurement tools. You know, this was the 770 clamp meter was the one that I was most looking forward to.